Hola, ¿qué tal clase? Bienvenidos a la clase de 2315. Mi nombre es el señor Saúl Olivares y hoy les voy a dar la orientación de la clase. Today, you will be learning the orientation how to D2L and Math Spanish Lab. First of all, this class has two components, Math Spanish Lab and D2L. The D2L content, which is your learning modules, are your class lecture work. The online lab is completed at www.mathspanishlab.com. First of all, whenever you log into my Lone Star in lonestar.edu, the first thing you got to do is read the initial message. Then proceed to the content link. Once you're in the content, click on your Getting Started link, then on your first item, Things to Do Before Getting Started. Read all instructions carefully, particularly your course ID. You will need this ID to sign up in Math Spanish Lab. I will show you how to sign up in Math Spanish Lab in the next slides. To open assigned activities, click on the corresponding week, for example, week 1, week 2, or etc., and then the activity title. In this particular case, stress placement and the written accent. Important, not all lecture activities require submission. All activities required to be submitted will have a submission box. See next slide. It's very important. If an activity requires work to be submitted, it will have a Dropbox symbol, such as this one. To submit the activity, click on the Upload tab, then choose the location of your file. Choose the file, click Open, and then Submit. Need help at 2 a.m.? No problem. The Office of Technology Service Desk is available to support your technical needs and will forward tickets to LSC online as needed. Email online@lonestar.edu. Report an issue to the service desk. Phone number 1-866-614-5014. And of course, helpful software. Now, let's move on into how to register in Math Spanish Lab. First of all, go to www.mathspanishlab.com. Under the Register section, click on the Student section. Click OK to register. If you have your code, click Yes. If you're buying access, then click No, I need to buy access. Choose Math Spanish Lab. Choose the book Español Escrito, then the next tab. Click the I Accept tab. Pay with a credit card if you're buying direct access. Click on the Enroll Course tab. Then type the course ID provided on your Getting Started instructions at D2L. Click on the course title, Spanish 2315. Set up your system by completing all 4 steps under the Getting Started section. Number 1, tune up your browser is to find out if you're missing any software or programs that are needed to fully run Math Spanish Lab. The number 2, disable pop-up blockers. That's to unblock everything that will prevent Math Spanish Lab to run fully. Set your time zone. The program typically comes with an Eastern zone. Make sure you choose Central Time USA in Canada, the Houston area. And then take a tour. Click on the calendar clocks. That's the material that you will have to complete. Click on each activity to complete, then click Finish so that you can submit it for grade. This completes your class orientation. Remember to email me via D2L class if you have further questions. Adios.